So we are going to install a Dangerous Things XSIID NFC implant into my hand right here. The implant will act like a lot of NFC cards, like access cards, things like that. They can do all sorts of things. You can program this one to do most of those things. I mean, it kind of runs the full gamut of the NFC's capabilities. It won't do things like payment. There are some really strongly and stringently protected forms of ID and payment and stuff like that that really need buy-in from like Visa, MasterCard for the payments. I'm not sure for the ID stuff, but it can do basic things. So it can support like TOTP auth, your two-factor auth. It can support, you can clone a lot of access cards, things like that. Anyways, not here to sell you on it. I want it. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. I'm not sure. But I'm either going to worry about this all day and then reluctantly put it in later, or just put it in right now and then get on with the day. So we're going to start with the kit from Dangerous Things. This is sterile and still sealed. Don't open this till the last second. Beyond that, I've just got kind of basic hygienic stuff here. Sterile gauze all around, hydrogen peroxide. We've got some lidocaine cream here. This is 4%. I think it's the strongest you can buy. And I will put some of that on the area we are going to, well, actually we'll go over it with hydrogen peroxide one more time. And I'll put some of this on. And then I've also got some lidocaine from Neosporin that maybe I'll use instead if it's also 4%. Once anything gets used, it goes away off this sterile area. This is something. Well, I'm not sure. We'll use a bit of both. Get some of this on there for the antiseptic, and we'll use the 4% just for the numbing properties, because this needle is not thin. So I had planned to use 2 of these, so this will be the last one I use before. All sorts of sterilizing stuff on this thing already, but go over it one more time here. This is just going to hold the skin out of the way, kind of scrunch it up right there so the needle can insert. I'm not sure about the pronunciation. The other important thing here, you can probably hear it, is peaceful, soothing music in the background. Keep you calm during. So far working for me. So this, you can pinch with whatever you got. I've seen people use clothespins. I've seen people use those, like the binders, the spring-loaded binders for school papers and stuff that clips at the top. This is a kind of a low power spring clip that is made, I think I got it with a green screen that holds the green screen onto the top bar. I removed the 2 like clamping, the flat clamping pieces at the top, just to lessen the tension a little bit by removing some of the filler in there. And I am going to clamp right here like that. And then there is a needle in here that has the implant preloaded in it. If it's oriented, like if we're looking at it this way, put that right here. If the syringe is up here, the plunger's up here, and the needle's coming down this way, the implant is facing downward, so it is like it's one way. If you imagine a cylinder, it's oriented this direction. The LED is down here at the bottom, and then the antenna and receiving hardware is behind it in this sterile cylinder. So as that is inserted this way, I'll end up with about a 4 millimeter really thin rod with the LED at the back of it, and I kind of want the back of it to be back here, so we're going to scrunch the skin together right there, put the needle in through that, just under all layers of skin, but not so deep as to hit muscle, and then we will pop that implant out. We will release this, probably keep some pressure and maybe put some more Neosporin or something on it, and then I have got either a Band-Aid or this Tegaderm pad that we'll put on it, and we'll be done. So I think this is as good as it's gonna get. I would like to just be done now, so we're gonna open this guy. Another important thing, got a popsicle right here. It is the bomb pop kind. Little treat for afterwards for getting through it. It looks like, so here's the needle. Looks like they included some of the kit, which is good. So we will actually open and use a lot of this. Get these guys out of the way. Before we touch anything further, we will put the glove on. I thought there was only one for a second, and I thought they must realize that it's gonna be a solo adventure. All right, we got that. We are going to get this guy out. Blue side up. Sterile gauze. Get this thing ready. Alcohol prep pad. Get the gauze ready. We'll open the next derm when we are closer to done. All right. Okay, burned that one. If you drop anything, ends up on the ground, anywhere that's not sterile, it goes in the garbage. Just get another one. One final application here. Pull this out. This has to come off in order to be able to push the plunger down. Again, the LED is pointed that way. Insert it, push the plunger, pull it out, leaving the implant inside, and we're done. So we are going to see if we can, so that's not gonna work. We will just okay. And push it back to where we want it. Push the implant in. This comes off. And we're going to keep a hand on here. switch to gauze. I think just the sight of doing all of that is like more taxing than the feeling or the pain or anything. I mean, it's not like it didn't hurt, it hurts, but it's not excruciating. It's really not too much worse than a shot at the doctor. So that's what the wound looks like at the end, so not too bad. I've heard some speculation from friends and people discussing on the internet that it might need sutures or a butterfly bandage. I do have some butterfly strips just in case, but I'm not going to put that on here. So we will put a little bit of Neosporin here. And then we're going to put on, actually we're going to put on the one that they included. And I think I like the size of this one a little bit more. Put this one on and then go have a popsicle and relax for a minute, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like as far as the LED that lights up in the presence of an RFID field. So this isn't perfect, but this is good. We just need this to be on here for a few minutes. This kind of sets. All right, see you soon.